All right, welcome to another wonderful banger video again. All right, this is Godwin Trades. I like to show up here daily to document my experience for you so that to help you guys become profitable in the forex market. I want to quickly appreciate you guys for following this channel. We've been able to take this channel to over 700 subscribers. I want to appreciate you deeply, and I want to promise you that that long-awaiting video, that Quasimodo strategy video you guys have been waiting for, is going to be dropping any moment from now. I want us to just take this subscriber to 1,000 subscribers. The moment we hit 1K subscriber on this particular channel, trust me, that video will be the first thing that will be dropping. All right, so let's continue sharing, subscribe, and let people get to see this page. All right, so thank you so much. Let's dive right inside this particular gold strategy. All right, this is one of the things that has been hidden from you quite a number of months, times, years. All right, and a lot of people are even abstaining from trading Xauusd, which is called gold, because of the volatility nature. I won't lie, it happens to me when I first got started in forex trading. I've never been friendly with gold, right? Because he has really burnt my fingers. But right now, he's one of the most traded pairs that I'm trading currently right now. And trust me, I've been able to get over 90% win rate on gold. So today, I'll be sharing with you my number one gold strategy that I've used to grow account over time, and it has really helped me a lot. So what's the essence of hiding it? So, you know, I like to show love to you guys, so I'm here to expose it to you guys. The only thing you can do in return is to like this video and, you know, share, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification. So let's dive right in. Now, in gold, right, one thing I want you to know, I want to explain 3 concepts to you if you are a lover of gold, or if gold has really burnt your finger. And trust me, after this video, gold will be the number one pair you want to be trading, right? You all know that gold is volatile, and you need a very strong approach or a very strong system to approach this particular pair. If not, you're going to be losing a lot of money in the market. So how do I trade gold? Number one, let me take off this. You need to respect top-down analysis, right? Now, what is top-down analysis? Top-down analysis talked about time frames, right? You want to see what the market is currently doing. You can see I have time frames here on my chart. This is, let's forget about this range, 6 months, 3 months, 1 month, 1 week, daily, 4 hour, down to 1 minute, right? But my go-to top-down analysis starts from 1 month, right? So I want to be able to see what is the market doing on a particular month, right? From that month, I want to see the overview of the trend of the market, right? If we are in consolidating market, or if we are trending up or we're trending down. I have a comprehensive video about top-down analysis on my channel. So you want to go to the playlist and get it after this particular video. Then you come down to weekly time frame, you know, to do other things, and daily, right? So once you are able to identify the trend of the market, right, on gold, on your top-down analysis, if your entry is 15 minutes, come to 15 minutes and get a sniper entry. If your entry is 1 hour, come to 1 hour and get your sniper entry. So to let you know that don't over or underestimate the power of top-down analysis, right? It's to help you. Now, I haven't said that. The number 2 thing you want to bear in mind is what? Mark your psychological levels, right? And key zone. Why are we doing this? Gold respects key levels, right? And psychological levels are round numbers, right? They are round numbers. You can see them on this price list. You can see this 294540, this 2920. All these price, they are psychological level. Did you see that? So you want to mark that particular part, that particular point where price gets to and reacts to, right? So you want to mark that as psychological level. Another thing you want to note is that gold moves from zone to zone, right? If this is our psychological level, all right, and we have another psychological level at the top, and let's say we have another psychological level, all right, beneath, right? So if gold is trending up from this psychological level, break this zone, right, it will surely come to this particular level. That is where it's heading to. Gold moves from zone to zone, right? It will definitely get here. It might get here and come back, but it surely get here. Either get here, break, come to retest it, then move, right? And if it is coming down, if it's trending down, if it breaks this particular level, it will come back to retest it, then, you know, get to this other level. So you want to mark that particular point where price is always respecting to. So don't forget, here is what the psychological level or key level. Another word you can say POI, which is point of interest, right? Now you want to be taking trades from this particular level. So the moment you are able to spot a level like this and you have a good entry, this is how I teach my students how to swing trade. So once you are able to catch it early here, just wait for it till they get to this level. And with that you can capitalize on more positions. So trust me, you know that there are levels in between here that are not strong, where the market can easily get to, where you can take partial profit. When you should notice some breakouts and retests, you go in again, right? So that one is more comprehensive. I have a video about that as well, how you can, get in more positions, right? So this is psychological level. Once you're able to take here, get a trade here, let it run to the next level, right? So that is what I mean about psychological level or key levels. Learn to look for your levels and wait for price to come to that level before you take any trade, right? And that leads to the third one, all right? And what is that third one? Let me take this away, all right? You wait for two things. Number one, a breakout. Then number two, a pattern, right? So either of these two is what I want to be looking for, right? So when price gets to my psychological level, I want to be waiting for two things, either a breakout and a retest, or I wait for a pattern. If you follow these things, right, trust me, you're going to be making cool money in the market. I have about 5 components that I teach on how to keep gold daily, but I can't expose everything here, right? I want to reserve some. I've reserved some for my inner circle member, and they already have the strategy already. It would be nice dishing it out here for free, but because of our fan love, I love you guys, I'll be giving you something that can still make you money. But if in case you want more details about it, you want to be able to trade by yourself and to read the market the way I've been able to read the market, you know what to do. The mentorship link is in the video description below. Make sure you hit the mentorship link and you get access to me on WhatsApp directly. Or you also want to do yourself good. If you know you don't have the phone to get into mentorship, I'll have a free Telegram channel where I do post free signals once or twice a day, right? So that you can make money. Once you're able to generate funds, then you can apply for the mentorship, where I can hold your hand directly and and show you how the markets can fetch you a lot of money, right? So I'm going to be showing the trade that I'm currently on, and the ones I took yesterday that I was able to make over 1:6 risks to reward, and currently still running with over 1:10 risks to reward since yesterday, just risking 50 pips only on gold, right? So I will show you. Let's go. Now you can see I have about 3 positions running here, right? So, and I have some trade currently running from here to here, and I've set it as my TP, right, for some position, because overall gold is still moving from zone to this zone, right? Did you see that? And if you see, I've been able to mark my zone. You can see these particular lines here. I have daily zones, daily zone, daily zones, right? Gold left this zone. Where do you think it's coming to? It's coming to this zone, right? Did you see that? So I do what I teach, right? Now, number 2, I mark this zone from top-down analysis from daily time frame or weekly, right? So you can do that if you see a good mark, a good zone to identify as a key level on daily or weekly. Do that. Then I came to 15-minute time frame for my entry, right? Now, yesterday I started seeing some things there. So I noticed that the market touches this particular zone, and since then it's been trending up, right? So what did I do? I saw these patterns, right? I saw we've been having, did you see, almost like a double top here, a double bottom rather. Then what happened? I had to wait for an entry, right? So I didn't get in here. I didn't take good with all these formations. But what I did is that after all these have been formed, right? So I noticed we have a pattern here. Did you see? We have a chart pattern which is called a bullish flag. Did you see that? This is the bullish flag pattern. So how do you trade a bullish flag pattern? Price definitely break to the upside. All right. So if you don't know how to trade patterns, I have a video compilation about that already. Check the playlist for more comprehensive video. Now on the 15 minutes, there you can get the chart pattern, right? I took this trade with my students in the class. It was a live trade that I called. Those who were able to follow me on Facebook too saw that I gave this trade live on Facebook, right? Now you can see the patterns. You can see we have a flag pattern here. This is the flag it's a bullish flag pattern, right? Then you have price inside this. So what I was waiting for is I was waiting for the breakout and the retest, right, to go in, right? So, and that did not happen, but I was able to get this trade, this my entry, on a very professional level. I came to 5 minute time frame, right? How was I able to catch it? On the 5 minute time frame, this was where I got in, right? You're gonna see it. On the 5 minute time frame, this was where I got it. I saw this pattern here. Did you see that? It hasn't even broken out, right? This is a little bit advanced, right? Don't try this at home, right? It's a little bit advanced. If you notice the push, you can see the push, right? If you notice the push, all right? And since then, price didn't come back to retest it, right? But there are strategies that I've taught my students how to take trade, even how to even buy even on under a resistance, right? You can't get all these things on YouTube for free, right? Except if you are logged into a particular group where your mentor, all right, has your time to teach you all these hidden secrets. You can see we have this resistance here, this diagonal trend line resistance. So there's no way you could have taken a buy here. So how on earth was I able to catch this? Just risking 50 pips, you can see 50 pips, right? And this is 503. This is points. Gold is calculated in terms of points, right? I've done how to calculate your risk management on gold. I have a comprehensive video about that, how to calculate your lot size on gold. You want to make sure you go check that video out, right? So right now, I was able to catch these 50 pips. Now my TP was here, 1:3. Did you see that? And in a twinkle of an eye, the trade went straight into our TP, right? Consolidated for a while, then boom, got in here. All right. Now I was able to take partial profit when the price got to this particular resistance. All right. How was I able to get in again? You can say I have another position here. I was able to get in here, right? Through what? Fibonacci trading pattern, right? Now, once you see price pull up, right, and come down again, you want to use your Fibonacci retracement level to measure it, right? Now, I don't think I've done a video about Fibonacci here, right? So at this level, these are my Fibonacci price, right? The moment price got back to this place, and I saw some pattern that I went with another positions, right? And that position is still currently running. You can see how you can take advantage of a particular market trend and milk the market. Let me tell you, let me show you. So I put my Fibonacci here from swing low to swing high. Did you see that? Boom. What happened? The market came to the 0.38 and 0.50% Fibonacci retracement level. Consolidated here for a while. And what happened? Boom. There was I seeing, let me make it a little bit, so you can see it. We started seeing some buy entry. Then that was how I was able to capitalize on it, and currently making lots of money on that. Did you see that? So price was, consolidating here. Then I entered another position. This particular one got in here, risking the same 50 pips. Did you see that? Right? And in the beginning of a night, less than 1 hour yesterday, this did 1:6. And currently I've not closed some of my positions here. Or you can see, boom. So I had to look for the next zone, right? Now, like I said, gold moved from zone to zone. Look at what was the next zone. This is the next zone here, right? On the daily time frame, right? So why I left this open, because I still have confirmation that gold is going to be trending up, because on top-down analysis, I saw it on the daily and weekly time frame that gold is trending up. So I left it open, right? And now that was why, if you look at this gray area, so I had to come back to 1 hour time frame to see where we currently are. Now look at the overview of the market. This is overview of the market. So what happened this morning? I came on my chart this morning. I saw that this is a flip zone on gold. You can see gold initially was selling. It sold all the way here, got here, all right, with supports, all right, came back to break it. Then we have this resistance, 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 right? Then the seller took the price down, right? Now what happened? Boom. The moment gold break above this, right, level here, because this is a very strong key levels, right? And it's very close to this key level. So this is a key level. gold break this key level. I was waiting for that retest. When there's a breakout, there must be a retest. So I was waiting for that retest. What happened? It was on that retest that I went in, all in, right? And I gave this signal. You can see gold is still trending up here. But currently, I'll be taking some partial profit here, right? Good. We respect your zone if you know what you're doing. Now look at it. Boom. Let me take out this arrow so you can understand my entry. Then look at it. Boom. Right? I had to give it more room. This time around, I was risking 70 pips, right? Because I was still expecting that gold might shoot down here before going up. But I could see that my moving average is already serving as a support already. So that was my other confluence. I've not taught a video about moving average. If you want me to teach you how to use moving average as part of confluence, put it in the description so I can, if I see like 100 likes on this video, I'm going to do a video about how you can use moving average to take a trade, right? So right now, I have my confidence so strong. Then I call out this trade on my free Telegram channel and on my paid Telegram channel. Let me show you the free Telegram channel. Right, now this is the free Telegram channel. You can see there are 58 members already and 2 are currently online. Now you can look at the where I dropped the trade. You can see this was the trade. I told them to buy gold, all right, and buy Xauusd, give them the Excel, told them to open TP and apply proper risk management. I'm very big on risk management. Then a few minutes, what happened? Gold did over 70 pips, right? This is where gold have done 70 pips. Right, you can see I told them gold I've done, right, you can see Xauusd now in profit. I'm adding more positions. You can see I'm adding more positions to this trade. Do not disobey risk management. I like to follow up my trade whenever I give them signals. Right, now later on gold pushed up again. You can see, right, this I've done 1:2. So I told them to close because at least they have made money. This is a free channel. 140 pips done on Xauusd. Close trade and take profit. That's it, right? And I have other trades that I've sent to my private Telegram channel. So if people are making free money here while on free channel, you can imagine what other people on the paid group are doing, right? So you want to get yourself on that paid group so that you can be making money daily with us right now. So let's see. Now you can see where gold is heading towards, right? So I'm not afraid to leave my trade running because I've seen from the top-down analysis that market is definitely coming here, right? Definitely coming here. And if you can look at it on a 1 hour time frame, you can see that huge candle trending up. And the 1 hour candle will be closing in next, right, 5 minutes. So we have more buyers momentum coming here. And in overall direction, to come to 4 hour time frame, this is where gold is heading towards, right? It's coming to this zone here. Gold is coming to this zone here. Did you see that? So the moment gold keep breaking the highs, you want to enter more position to take more trade. So tell me, why won't you make money even if you focus on gold? The only thing you want to learn is you want to learn how to enter, all right? How to wait for a good setup to enter, all right? Sometimes you may have a very good direction of the market knowledge, but your entering might be wrong, right? Some people get stopped out because their entering is wrong, right? And they don't even know what they're looking for before they enter, right? You can see, I will show you one of the accounts that I was currently trading, right? It was even on a drawdown as at on Friday. I took some risky trade that put the account on a drawdown, all right? And it went back to negative, right? And today, now just this particular gold trade has recovered the account and has put it on profit, right? It's a $25,000 profit account. Let me show it to you. This is the $25,000 profit account. You can see we're currently running $520 in profit, right? So you can see the account was on drawdown. We have 24,707. But right now, look at the equity, 25,200 plus. So the account has come back to profit, right? Right now, just with this particular trade, you can see this is just gold. This is just gold. I'm currently in profit, right? Making over $500, right? So this is how you can make money by just following simple instructions on the market, understand what the market is currently doing, and allow it to run, right? Right now, I can confidently break even, right? I can confidently break even, and you know what? Allow my TP to be hit, all right? I will take partial profit from here, right? So this is how you can use the strategy to make money on gold. Make sure you are respecting top-down analysis, and make sure you know how to mark your key levels very appropriately, and wait for two things, either breakout and retest or a pattern, right? And if you want me to mentor you, there's a link in the description below. I'll be glad to show you other things that has helped us, me and my students, to be able to understand the market and make good money for ourselves. So having said all this, thanks for watching to this particular time. Make sure you like or follow. If not, you may not hear from me again. And subscribe to this channel, right? Turn on the bell notification. Let's take this video to 100 likes. Then I'll be doing a comprehensive video again about what you want me to talk about, right? So I'll see you in my next video. God bless you.